Not sure if we can ever have too many examples, but what about this case? What about the case where we have b over 3 is equal to 1/2 of b plus 2, which is plus 5 over 8. Now in this case here, what we're trying to do is we're trying to get the lowest common multiple of 3 numbers. So we want the lowest common multiple of 3, 2 and 8. So again, we're going to go through our times tables. We're going to go 3, 6, 9. We know it has to be even. It's got 2 in it. 3, 6, 9. We're probably thinking, what numbers do 8 go into? 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. 8 goes into 24. So once again, I've got 24 as my lowest common multiple. So again, I'm going to multiply each term by 24. So I'm going to go times this one by 24, times this term by 24, and times this term by 24. So I've got this 3 going to 24 8 times, 8b. 2 going to 24 12 times, keeping those grouping symbols there. 8 going into 24 3 times, and 5 3s are 15. Now I've got an equation with a grouping symbol, so I'm going to multiply out. So I've got 8b is equal to 12b plus 24 plus 15. And if you notice what's happening here, our equations are getting more complex, but the steps are staying the same, and I'm just keeping my working out nice and neat, and I'm just following the process. I'm going with the flow, so I'm getting 12b plus 39, and I'm bringing it down to a simple equation that I know how to solve. Bring my pronumerals to the same side, subtract the 12b. Negative 4b equals 39. Remembering this means negative 4 times b, and it's a times I'm interested, so I'm going to divide by a negative. I'm going to get b is equal to negative 9 3/4. Right, so we're powering through these. This is the 4th example for these equations with more than one fraction. This time what I'm going to look at is the case of what happens if I have pronumerals on the denominator. So what happens if I have something like 3 over 2m plus m, no, not m, sorry, we won't make that m, plus 8 is equal to 5 on m. So I've got this equation to solve. This time I've got pronumerals as well. So what I need to do is make sure they've both got m, so I know I'm going to multiply by m, and I also want to multiply by the lowest common multiple of 2, in this case 1. So I'll multiply everything by 2m times 2m times 2m. And then what happens is, in that way I get the m's off the denominator. So I've got 3 plus 16m into the numerator is equal to 10. Nice simple equation here to solve. 2 steps, subtract the 3. 16m is equal to 7. Divide by the 16. M equals 7/16. Once again, can't emphasise enough, nice neat working out, showing exactly what you're doing it logical and ordered, following the processes through to see where it takes you, getting your answer at the end. This part up here is just as important as this part down here. I want to see you develop these working out skills.